Now our next theorem is, if the sum of pairs of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, so then you prove that this quadrilateral is cyclic. So first you have to draw a circle and draw a circle and make a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. And this point, this is a center point of O. This is a center point of O. So now first you have to write down given a quadrilateral ABCD in which angle, you have already know angle A plus angle C. Angle A plus opposite angles will be sum of opposite angle is 180 degree, and next angle B plus angle D equal to always 180 degree. So now to prove ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So first you have to draw a circle through the point A, B and the C. Now let's start the proof. Suppose the circle does not pass through the point D and the circle is here B. So now the quadrilateral will be new quadrilateral make A, B, C, E. So now let's assumption or suppose the circle does not pass through the point D. So then it will intersect BD. It will intersect BD at a point of E or extent of point E. So now join the AE and the EC. So make a new quadrilateral ABCE is a cyclic quadrilateral. So now in this new quadrilateral ABCE, angle B plus angle E make a 180 degree, and now the ABCD in a quadrilateral ABCD, so angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. So now this is the equation 1 and this is the equation of 2. So from equation 1 and the 2 we get angle B plus angle E equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle E equal to angle E, angle B plus angle D equal to 180 to 180 will be cancelled. So you can write angle B plus angle E equal to angle B plus angle D, and the 180 degree equal to 180 degree. So this is cancelled and angle B cancel. So you can write angle E equal to angle D. It means angle E equal to angle D. But this assumption will be wrong. But this is not a possible unless E coincides with the D. So thus our assumptions that the point D does not lie on the circle was wrong. So point D. So you have to correct is the point D is lie on the circle. So hence ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So our assumption will be wrong because the angle E here E is but it is not possible unless E is coincides with the D. So our assumption that the point D does not lie on the circle was wrong. So point D lie on the circle. So you can prove that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral.